Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to make TikTok edits in 2025. So whether you are creating the aesthetic videos, fan edits or trend-based reels, let's break it down step by step. So the first step is choosing your concept and the clips. So first of all, you need to decide what kind of edit you want to make, whether it is aesthetic montage, fan edit, transition reel, story based edit. You need to gather the relatable footage, and this can be your own clips, any royalty free videos or content within fair use. Make sure that they are in vertical format like 9:16 format and in high resolution. Afterwards, you need to just do the editings. For that, you can use any of the editing applications. Most popularly, people use CapCut and VN Editor, but here I'm gonna be using my Filmora because I have the premium version of Filmora and I do most of my edits in it. So whichever video editor you are actually using, you need to just simply import the files in your editor, and over here you need to add it in the timeline. Now over here, after importing the clips into the timeline, you need to just trim out any unnecessary part. In order to do that, simply select your video just like so, and over here you will see the cut option here, so you can just split it and you can just remove unnecessary part over here. You can use the beat sync tools if you edit is music based, and these apps actually detect the rhythm and the help that you auto sync. Now in order to make your transition fast, you need to add zoom in, the glitch, transition, spin and overlays. The best part about Filmora is that you are going to get some of the effects here. You just have to simply click on the effects and you need to drag and drop over here just like so, and all the effects and the transitions will come up on place on top of your video. Similar is the case with transition. You can simply click on the transition tab and you can apply any of the transition that you want to give or apply on top of your videos. You will also get some of the pre-made titles which you can simply drag and drop and add in your timeline and in your project. So here you need to basically add the captions, the lyrics and everything on top of your video. You can just simply, once you are done, you need to export your video in 1080p and at 60 fps for the crisp look. Afterwards, you need to open your TikTok application and click on the upload option over here. Then you need to upload your edits and write a sample caption with 3 to 5 relevant hashtags. You can also seek help from ChatGPT in this regard. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.